Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process for adding a manager to your YouTube channel. Let's get started. Click on your profile picture. Select YouTube Studio. Go to Settings. Navigate to Permissions. Select Move Permissions if you have a brand channel. Click Invite. Enter the recipient's Gmail address. Click on the drop-down menu. Select Manager. Click Done. Click Save. Click Proceed. Now sign into your account by entering your password to verify your identity. The Google account you invited will receive an email that looks like this. Click Accept Invitation. Click Switch Channels, and that's it. Please note that the interface or page changes quite often, so if the page or interface looks different, don't worry. It's the same process with slight variations, but the core steps will remain the same. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance with your website, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.